Welcome. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about fog lights on your Tesla. Specifically, we'll show you how to quickly check if your Tesla is equipped with fog lights, and if so, how to turn them on and off. Fog lights enhance visibility in adverse weather conditions, like fog, rain, or snow. First, let's determine if your Tesla has fog lights. The easiest way is via the touchscreen. Navigate to Controls, then Lights, and finally Headlights. If you see an option for fog lights, your vehicle is equipped with them. Alternatively, you can check your vehicle's VIN through the Tesla app or website. Models with fog lights often have specific build codes, like FG. Physically, look for small LED pods on the lower front bumper. If your Tesla has fog lights, you can control them manually. First, push the light stalk on the steering column twice to ensure your headlights are on. Next, use the touchscreen. Go to Controls, then Lights, and toggle fog lights on or off. Alternatively, from the home screen, tap the Lights icon and select Fog Lights On or Fog Lights Off. Remember to only use fog lights in low visibility. Tesla offers voice control for many features, including fog lights. Simply say, "Turn on fog lights" or "Turn off fog lights" to the vehicle's voice assistant. This feature requires software version 2025 or later. Make sure your voice assistant is enabled in the settings. Some Tesla models can automatically activate fog lights in low visibility conditions like fog or rain. This feature uses the car's sensors to detect when visibility is reduced and turns on the fog lights without manual input. To enable automatic activation, start by opening the Controls menu on your Tesla's touchscreen. From Controls, select the Autopilot option to access driving assistance settings. In the Autopilot menu, find and select the Lighting submenu to configure automatic lighting features. In the Lighting menu, make sure the Automatic Lighting feature is enabled. This allows the car to automatically turn on fog lights when needed. Once enabled, the car's sensors, including cameras and ultrasonic sensors, will monitor visibility conditions. When fog or low visibility is detected, the fog lights will activate automatically. Keep in mind that this automatic feature depends on your Tesla's software version and the availability of the necessary sensors. Make sure your car is updated to the latest software for the best functionality. Fog lights are essential for safety in poor visibility, but they must be used responsibly. Only turn them on when fog, rain, or snow significantly reduces visibility, typically under 100 meters. Using them in clear weather can create blinding glare for oncoming drivers, increasing accident risk. Tesla recommends pairing fog lights with daytime running lights for maximum visibility and safety. The battery impact is minimal, with only about 2 to 5% range loss per hour of use, thanks to efficient LED technology. As of late 2025, fog lights are typically found on the Model 3 Performance and long-range variants since 2023, Model Y All variants since 2022, and Cybertruck Standard since 2024. The Model S and Model X generally do not have fog lights due to their advanced matrix LED headlights. Availability may vary by region due to local regulations. If you're experiencing issues with your fog lights, the first step is to ensure your Tesla software is up to date. Software updates often include fixes for lighting system bugs and improvements. Next, refer to your Tesla owner's manual or the Tesla app for detailed instructions and troubleshooting tips specific to your model. These resources contain step-by-step guides for fog light operation and common issues. You can also find helpful user-generated content on Tesla forums, like Tesla Motors Club and YouTube channels. Other owners often share their experiences with fog light issues and creative solutions. If problems with your fog lights persist after trying these steps, contact Tesla Service for professional assistance. They can diagnose hardware issues and provide repairs under warranty if applicable. Remember, regular software updates and proper maintenance can help prevent many fog light issues before they occur.